There are many products available to choose toys and gifts for 7-year-old boys, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best toys and gifts for 7-year-old boys from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. LEGO Despicable Me 4 Minions Music Party Bus. Fans of Despicable Me 4 can bring the mischievous chaos of the Minions into their home games with this 379-piece LEGO set. When it's built, it starts off as a bus the Minions can ride in, and then opens to become a mobile party spot, complete with a DJ station, hot tub, and dance floor. It also comes with 4 LEGO Minions and plenty of accessories. Ages 7+. Number 2. Crazy Forts. Kids can spend the day planning, building, and constructing next-level blanket forts with these rods and connectors. All you have to do is add your own sheets. They can follow the instructions to make igloos and rockets, or build whatever their creativity lets them imagine. Ages 5+. Number 3. Orbito board game. Round and round the marbles go, and the goal is to get 4 of your colors in a row. Kids will find it really exercises their brains, because each turn shifts the positions of all of the marbles. As an adult, I can usually figure out a game, one parent tester said. I haven't cracked the algorithm with Orbito yet, which levels the playing field with my children. Ages 7+. Number 4. Air Hogs Zero Gravity RC Car Wall Climber. This car will go anywhere you point the laser, even up walls. And yet, it's still easy enough for kids to control and handle. Note that it can't go, say, from the floor and then up the wall, just straight forward or backward on whichever surface it's set on. The car is rechargeable via USB. Buy 2 AA batteries for the controller. Ages 4+. Number 5. Treasure X Minecraft Caves and Cliffs Overworld. He can bring his love of Minecraft out of the digital realm and into the physical one with this toy, which will have him crafting his own Minecraft character. Inside is a compound, either tundra snow or amethyst ooze, that he'll have to dig through to find the pieces of his character and accessories. There are 10 surprises in all. Ages 5+. Number 6. Start Plus 3D Printing Pen. Kids can get a feel for 3D printing technology with this gadget, which melts a plastic filament that can be used to make 3D art projects and sculptures. We named it the best 3D pen for children, noting that it works best if you keep the nozzle clean. A booklet will give them some ideas of what to make. Or, they can go off on their own and build whatever their imagination can come up with. You might also want to buy extra filament. Ages 6 to 13. Number 7. Klutz Pokémon Color in 3D Stickers Craft Kit. They can decorate their school books, lockers, and bedrooms with puffy stickers they've made themselves featuring their favorite Pokémon. It comes with a sticker press that kids can use to stack layers and give their stickers more dimension. There's also a guidebook with Pokémon, in case they want to use it as a color reference, and also a project guide. Ages 6+. Number 8. Orrente Remote Control Car. It's Amazon's choice with a 4.7-star rating and online shoppers calling it an affordable gift the whole family can enjoy for hours on end. I recently purchased the remote control car for my son, and it's been a blast. This RC car is fast, responsive, and perfect for performing impressive stunts, writes one 5-star review. Batteries are included. Ages 6+. Number 9. GiiKER Superblocks Pattern Matching Puzzle Games. Kid testers loved the challenges this gave them, which involved matching the shape pieces to the game board. My 7-year-old immediately said it reminded him of Tetris, a parent tester raved. He loved that it lit up and had so many puzzle options. Ages 6+. Number 10. Bubbles of Steel. A little STEM plus a little outdoor fun. This science kit lets kids make bubbles that won't pop. Amazing! Then kids can make bubble stacks, bubble sculptures, and just feel a general sense of awe that they can poke the bubbles without them popping. Ages 6+. Number 11. Flying Orb. The coolest fidget around, this is actually a small drone that works entirely with hand controls. It lights up in different colors, and coordinated kids can practice different tricks, like hovering, bouncing, and getting it to come back like a boomerang. Amazon users like it so much that it's earned more than 8,000 5-star ratings. Ages 6+. Number 12. Stomp Rocket Stomp Racers. Kids can stomp these cards, launch them, and watch them go. The pack comes with 2 kid-powered cars which can race to see which one will go farthest. There's also a ramp included, and kids can launch the vehicles into the air. A Good Housekeeping Institute parent tester said she loved that her kids were able to set this up by themselves in about 5 minutes. So, it's easy to use too. Ages 5 to 12. Number 13. Roller Coaster Challenge. This game incorporates logic skills with roller coaster building for a super fun take on a STEM toy. It comes with 39 tracks, 40 challenge cards with solutions too, and a roller coaster car to bring all the loops and drops to life. It's the perfect gift for budding engineers to learn essential reasoning skills that they can use throughout their lives. Ages 6+. Number 14. Super Mario Piranha Plant Escape Game. Now he can enjoy some Super Mario fun without being glued to a screen. In this game, players land on numbered spaces, which tell them how many times they have to push the trigger button. But they have to stay on guard because sometimes the button causes the piranha plant to attack. The last player standing, not knocked over by the nefarious plant, is the winner. Even when the game isn't being played, the figures can be used for imaginative play, or the plant just looks cool as a desk accessory. Ages 4+. Number 15. EagleStone Indoor Basketball Hoop. He can channel his inner LeBron with this basketball hoop, which actually keeps track of how many baskets he's scored with an electronic scoreboard. But the real fun comes when you turn the sound on. It makes cheering noises too, so he can showboat for his adoring fans. Ages 3+. Number 16. Electronic Bank. Teach the 7-year-old in your life about spending, saving, and investing, especially the saving part, with this bank. It acts similar to an ATM, since kids have to pick a PIN and, more importantly, input the PIN correctly if they want to get their money back out again. It also comes in a range of colors. This is an Amazon user's favorite, earning more than 9,300 5-star ratings. Ages 3+. Number 17. Heroic Optimus Prime Action Figure. Whether he's a fan of Transformers 1 or Rise of the Beasts or Earthspark, he'll marvel at this Optimus Prime figure, which stands at 11 inches tall. It transforms into a semi-truck in just 6 steps, which is just the right amount of complication for an elementary schooler. And, of course, there's also a Bumblebee who turns into a Camaro. Ages 6+. Number 18. Roblox Action Collection The Wild West 5-Figure Pack. If he plays the Wild West game on Roblox, this set of action figures features its star, Zachariah, plus a horse and various knives and blasters for saving the day. It lets him play out scenarios away from the screen. A code for an exclusive game piece is included. There are also action figures for Brookhaven, a RPG role-playing game with billions of visits, and figures for Jailbreak, a game of cops and robbers. All are ages 6+. Number 19. Klutz Star Wars Folded Flyers Activity Kit. You've heard of paper planes, but what about a paper TIE fighter? This activity book lets kids fold paper versions of 6 different types of Star Wars ships, from Naboo starfighters to X-Wings to the Millennium Falcon. The set comes with instructions, 4 sheets of specially designed paper, tape, and even foldable stands to display the ships when they're not in use. Ages 6+. Number 20. Card Game. Not only is this game great for 7-year-olds, it was created by a 7-year-old who launched it on Kickstarter. The goal is to build a meal with the most valuable ingredients, points-wise, but action cards do things like block players or let players steal cards, so players have to be strategic. Just be sure you have chips on hand when you play because you're going to get hungry. Ages 7+. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.